Hi everyone! Welcome back to another PR video for Born Pretty. I was sent some awesome products from them. I would love to share them with you in this unboxing video. This first product is from their Silky White series, color CG073. It's so lush, reminds me of a Barbie pink. The color is so gorgeous. Next is their Jelly Nude Gel Polishes in JN43 and JN45. I will now use Born Pretty's Super Shine Cap Magnetic Gel over the Nude Jelly Polishes. The last product I will be showing you is their Mirror Powder Top Coat. The chrome powder goes on so smooth. This is my new favorite Born Pretty product. That completes my PR video for Born Pretty. As always, I love everything I was sent to review. I want to thank everyone for watching, and I will link all the products in the description box. Also, thank you Born Pretty for another opportunity to review your awesome products. See you next video.